Nothing like an annual wildflower meadow to bring summer-long colour into your garden. And really, for just a little bit of work in early spring, that's it. You can sit back and enjoy the spectacle they provide with really no weeding, no watering and no further feeding required. I sow an annual meadow each year now, and this summer I've been experimenting with some of the richer coloured mixes from the company Pictorial Meadows. These are formulated to give a succession of colour eruptions over the summer. This one is called Dragonfly with deep reds and purples. And this one is Kingfisher, which contains a high percentage of echiums, which the bees go mad for. My final mix is called Sundance, very well named with lots of dancing yellow daisies. To add scent to the overall scheme, I always edge the border with sweet pea TPs as well. Now, if you want to have a go at creating an annual wildflower meadow, I've put a link in the description to this video of an earlier video we made giving more details about how to actually go about it. And then in the description of that video, there's a link back to our website, the3growbags.com, where we actually wrote a blog post about it too.